Been breezy today, and it's only going to get much more windy as we head into the first half of the weekend. Because of that, the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for all of southeastern Michigan that starts at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning and goes until 9 o'clock tomorrow night, as we could see everybody having wind gusts eclipsing 50 miles an hour, especially tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. Already breezy heading out the door this evening. Sustained winds across most of southeastern Michigan, 10 to upwards of 20 and even 21 miles an hour out of the due south right now over at Metro Airport, and those numbers will also go up as we head into our Saturday. It's thanks to a very strong frontal boundary out over the Midwestern United States, west of Chicago, down through Des Moines and over toward Oklahoma City, with a rare November severe weather outbreak over portions of Oklahoma, Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, and northeastern Texas. Tornado watches, tornado warnings in effect there, and we may see even an isolated thunderstorm in our forecast as this frontal boundary closes in tomorrow evening. We'll start off Saturday dry, but by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see some of those showers develop as that front pulls into the region, and the front is right on top of Metro Detroit by 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. All the oranges and reds, the rainfall, the gusty winds, and maybe an isolated thunderstorm. But by 9 to 10 o'clock tomorrow night, that front's out of the region and we dry things out, and I'm expecting sunshine moving in for the second half of the weekend, but the breezy winds will remain heading into tomorrow. Wind gusts by 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, easily 25 to 30 miles an hour. And we peak out with those 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts by 4 to 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon and into early tomorrow evening. By 11 o'clock Saturday night, wind gusts down to 25 to 35 miles an hour. And we're going to keep some of those gusty winds into the forecast heading into Sunday as well, upwards of 20 to 25 miles an hour heading into Sunday afternoon. So for Friday night football tonight, not a bad evening. An increase in cloud cover. Temperatures into the mid-60s by 7 o'clock for any of those playoff games. And we keep the rain around for only the first half of the weekend. Sunday looks good. And then we keep the dry weather into the forecast for the majority of next week. 60s for Sunday and Monday. A brief cool down into the 50s for Tuesday. Then we're back into the 60s and dry to the end of the week, with another chance of rain showers moving in and still well above average, low 60s by the time we get to next Friday.
Ooh, nice. All right.